Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, long time no see, but welcome back to my channel. I am back with a brand new much requested video today. Many of you have been asking me to create this, so here it is, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to get free Nintendo gift card codes in 2026. These Nintendo eShop codes are going to get you $100 balance, so you can redeem it in the eShop, and it is going to supply your account $100. And this is going to allow you to get a few Nintendo Switch games and more, guys. So before I show you this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Many more updated videos come in as and when they're needed. So let's show you guys how to get free Nintendo gift cards in 2026. Use your mobile phone. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android. You can even do this on desktop, but it is just a lot easier on your mobile phone, and you'll see why as I progress through the steps. So use your mobile internet browser and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So coldcoupons.com. Now, Cold Coupons is basically a codes website, and as you can see, they have lots of different codes and pages. They probably have 100+ different pages for things. Absolutely awesome website. So hit the search bar at the top of the screen next to the cold icon there, and in there just type in Nintendo, and you're looking for the Nintendo eShop codes page, and you can see there's a few verified codes. So go ahead and scroll down, and this is the code that I'm focusing on, guys. This is a free Nintendo eShop gift card code for $100. So this is a code, guys, that you can redeem in the Nintendo eShop, and it is going to supply $100 balance to your account, allowing you to purchase, should be more than enough to purchase at least 2 or 3 games. So, as you can see, guys, your Nintendo eShop code does need to be unlocked, and this basically stops people from stealing the 400+ codes left on Cold Coupons. So this basically prevents that and allows only 1 code per person. So I've already done this, so I can't do it again, and I don't want to waste a code for this video. So what you're going to need to do, guys, is just click on Get Full Code, and it is going to bring you to a new screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It should probably take you about 5 minutes. It's completely free, and it take, like I said, about 5 minutes. Just complete a couple of tasks, and once you do that, your Nintendo eShop gift card code will be unlocked, and it will be fully shown in this box. And once you redeem it in the eShop, that is going to give you $100 credit, guys. So super easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and this is working in 2026. So head on over to Cold Coupons and just look for the Nintendo eShop codes page. If you need any help getting your gift card, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section below or slide into my DMs. And drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.